Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to get free ringtones on your iPhone without having to jailbreak it. First you're going to have to download an application called Ringtonator. Looks just like that. Alright, first you go to iTunes and you want to drag the song you would like to turn into a ringtone. I already picked Handlebars. You drag it onto your desktop. As you can see, I already dragged it onto my desktop. There it is, right there. Now open up Ringtonator. Okay, it's opening. And you want to click Edit Manually. And now you drag the song into Ringtonator. Drop it right there. There it is. It goes right in. Wait for it to load up. Okay. Now you could crop it. I'm just going to crop it really quick. I'm just cropping it right now. You're going to just drag it and try to make it, the smaller the less space it takes up.
I can ride my bike with no handlebars, no handlebars, no handlebars. I can ride my bike with no handlebars, no handlebars, no handlebars.
Just gonna crop that. Once you're done, you click Ringtone 8 on the bottom right. Click that. Here, now pay attention, this is the most important part of the video. It's gonna make an M4A format pop up on your screen, and then it's gonna put it into your iTunes ringtone section, but that's the wrong one. You do not want that. You wanna click delete, remove, and move to trash. That's not the right one. What you wanna do, go to your home screen, and the one that says ringtone.m4a, you want to change that to M4R. And yes, it asks you to use M4R. You click yes, use M4R. Now you can drag it into the library. Add it. And now it's in. Alright, now that we've done the hard part, all you need to do is plug in your iPhone, plug it in, and then you go to, click on your iPhone, and you go to ringtones, and it says all ringtones. I click that because I want all my ringtones. You just select the ringtone, and you click sync. It's syncing. Okay. Alright. Now you go to settings, sounds, ringtone, And there it is.
I can ride my bike with no
That's
handlebars.
how easy it is.
No handlebars. No
Thank you for watching.
handlebars.
Please
I can
subscribe.
ride my bike with no handlebars.